Do laundry. Nobody wants to see that. Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Sierra. So here I am a couple of days later going to edit this, and I couldn't find my intro clip, and that's because it looks like I didn't make one. So in this video I'm going to show you guys everything that I decided to pack for our 3-week trip to Salt Lake City and Yellowstone. This video is going to be pretty chill, but I hope that you guys enjoy it anyway. Okay, so let's get started. So as I already mentioned earlier, this trip we're going to a couple of different climates, and so I had to bring a whole bunch of different types of shoes. So you can see over there I have my Ugg boots that I've had for, I would say, probably 8 years, something like that. I had been resoled twice. If you didn't know, you could resole them. I also have a pair of just regular black flats that I wear with some of my dresses, and a pair of my Zero Shoes sandals, and a pair of just white sandals to go with my dresses. I also have a pair of tennis shoes that I still have in my suitcase, but I don't really feel like pulling them out, but they're just for hiking and they're not that interesting to look at. And I'm pretty sure these shoes are not so interesting to look at either. My computer and my tea over there. Right. And then in here, I actually have most of this stuff in my carry-on, but I put it away already, so if you guys would like to see it, I have my little pom-pom pruning case that I got with my Fukabukuro. Usually I use it for makeup, but for this trip I decided to use it as my electronics cords case. So I have my hard drive that I use for editing and a couple of random computer cords in there. And I used to have headphones in here, but I think they're actually in my handbag. But I think I had headphones here, and I had, I think it was like my headphone adapter in this pocket. I also have Mom's birthday present, which, shh, don't tell her. Mom, if you're watching, don't spoil it for yourself. And I have packing tape, which I'm going to use to send the package. And then I have just some fancy pens and stationery, because I love writing letters when I'm on vacation, especially when I'm sitting like on long car rides or on the plane, or just have some downtime during a rainy day or whatever. Alright, so now let's move into the hallway closet. There's not much to see, and the lighting is terrible because it's a closet, but I have my Patagonia hiking fleece over there. I think it's called the Better sweater. Don't really remember, but I really like it. It's really warm and it's really comfortable for the plane. And then I also have my trench coat that you guys have seen me wear in a lot of my videos, and a winter jacket, because when we get up to the national park, it's going to be like in the upper 40s Fahrenheit, which is really cold. Alright, and then here I just have some of my clothes, actually all of my clothes, because I haven't unfolded them yet, but I think that they're fine. So as you guys can see, probably everything looks familiar because everything is part of my capsule wardrobe. I didn't pack my entire capsule. I think I left something like 5 pieces behind, but anyways, I have tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, sweater, other sweater, cardigans, and another cardigan right here. And actually right here I just have some like wash bags for laundry, but we're gonna have to use a community wash machine. I don't know how gentle or how strong it is, so on some of my more delicate items. Okay, and then in this drawer on the left side I have all of my skirts I'm gonna wear for this trip, some of my dresses, and I have 3 pairs of black leggings that I'm gonna wear with my darker colored dresses, and a pair of yoga pants that I wore on the plane. How do you know you're in Utah? Ta-da! In addition to the Bible and the Book of Mormon that was in our hotel room, in this drawer I have my jewelry in this little, just one like jewelry box thing, one of my my small handbag, and a lint roller, because, you know, I'm not going to show you guys, but in this drawer, the bottom 2 drawers, I have bras and knickers, and you guys don't want to see those. And then as I showed you guys before, my clothes are mostly all folded, but in here I have just a tank top that wrinkles really easily. I'm trying to get the wrinkles out. My dog sweater, which is actually not in my capsule, but it's gonna be really cold in Wyoming, so I needed to bring a sweater, and then skirt and my jeans. And then I decided to bring a dress for our anniversary dinner on Friday, which I'm pretty excited about. And then in the bathroom, I have all the stuff that was in my toiletry bag / liquids bag. It's kind of hard to organize in here because it's a hotel room and there's not really a lot of storage. They're not really designed for long-term living, but I have my makeup brushes, hair products, basic skin care stuff, allergy medicine, and some medical tape, because when you walk a lot, you get blisters. And I also have some essential oil here, because sometimes I get migraines and I might need it. I'd rather do that than have medication. And then on the second shelf, we have Mister's stuff, and then all of my makeup and sunscreen and eye creams and such. And then on the counter, because there's really nowhere else to put it, I have my makeup mirror, my Blush TO deodorant, wooden hairbrush, and my flat iron, which I've had. Honestly, I have no clue how long I've had this. You can barely even see the brand name anymore. But then over here I have my toothbrush and the stuff that the hotel gave us, but I haven't touched it yet except for the bar of soap over there because I forgot to bring the bar of soap. And I have just like our toothy tabs that we use at home, but decided to bring those so that toothpaste wouldn't spill everywhere. And then I have my bath products kind of set out just so I can show you guys. I have, one of them's already gone, but I had a Black Rose bath bomb from Lush in here. And in here, I'm really thankful I put this in a bag. It was a Metamorphosis bath bomb, and I brought it with me because this bath bomb stained my bath the last time that I used it, and I figured if I was in a hotel, they at least have like industrial cleaning supplies that I can borrow to clean it. And a little bit of what's left of my last cream egg that you guys saw in my Lush collection. And of course, I have my shampoo bar and my conditioner bar that I'm using while we're on this trip. The shampoo bar is new. It's called the Dear John shampoo bar, and it has, I don't remember exactly what's in it, but I think it's like coffee and cardamom and a bunch of other like manly scents. It's a Father's Day item. And then this is just my conditioner bar. It's the Sugar Daddy-O one. And then I have my comb that I like to use in the shower because the last time I had a hairbrush I took in the shower, it got mold and it was gross. So now I just use a comb in the shower. And the last thing that I had in my suitcase, well actually in my carry-on, was I had some food for the airplane, my water bottle, and my vegan B12 spray that I really like. And the reason I brought so much food in the airplane is usually there's a vegan option in play if you request it ahead of time, but more than once I've been in the situation where they forgot to order my vegan meal and all my options were like macaroni and cheese, which is so good. And so to show me that, I just brought a whole ton of food on the airplane. I didn't end up needing any of it. So the stuff I did pack for the plane just in case is I packed some New York garlic bagel crisps because they're super yummy. My B12 spray because I didn't want to lose it in my luggage and I didn't want it to spill everywhere and I'd want to take it on the plane. And then I brought some chocolate, some Oreos, and some Justin's peanut butter cups, which, I mean, they're not the best things, but I was really hungry when I was shopping for my plane food, so I got too much sweets. But as you can see, they're still sitting there, so whatever. And I also packed 4 Clif bars and a Luna bar, a Lara bar, a Fig bar, and some fruit to go. I actually had a second one, but I ate that on the plane. I know this might seem like a ridiculous amount of food for an airplane, but if you're in this situation where you're on a plane for 12 hours with no food, you never know what you're going to be in the mood for, or if someone's kid near you is going to need a snack or something. So I figured it's just better to be prepared, you know what I mean? And with that being said, it looks like I actually didn't make an outro for that either, so I'm just going to end it this way. That's all I packed for my 3-day trip to Salt Lake City and the Yellowstone. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and make sure that you guys like and subscribe so you guys know when I make the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!